So hi guys, welcome to Seji's tutorials and creation. This is my first video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva by using a template. Okay, now before this video please subscribe, hit the notification bell and comment my video and like. So uh, now you need to type Canva in Google. So you can see a purple colored Canva icon. So you need to color select that. There are options: presentation, video, Instagram post, Facebook post, poster, logo, flyer, social media, YouTube thumbnail and Facebook cover. You can clearly see that YouTube thumbnail. So you need to click that option. Now you can see many options: templates, uploads, photos, elements, text, audio, videos and background. In the beginning of the video I told you I'm going to make a YouTube thumbnail by using a template. So there are templates you can see. So I'm in the next video I will teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail by using only a blank page without a template. So I'm selecting this template. It's written the poetry of jazz. So I'm removing that text. So I'm typing to make YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Now the text is a bit larger, so I'm going to adjust it. Okay, now you can see the text. So now I'm going to add some more. So I'm going to the elements option and I'm searching YouTube logo. So you can see many beautiful YouTube logos. So I'm going to search, select this one. So I'm putting this here. And another thing, I'm going to make this thumbnail by using a Canva. So I'm going to add the Canva logo also. So I'm searching Canva logo. So there are Canva logos here. So I'm selecting this. So I'm adjusting a little bit. So I'm putting here. So okay guys, I finished my thumbnail. So I'm going to finish my video from here. Next day I will teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in a blank page. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and like and comment my video. So bye guys, see you next day.